Hi guys, it's SYF2000 here again, and today I'm back with another unboxing, and this time it's a special video because I haven't done a 164 Hot Wheels unboxing before. And fun fact is that I collect a lot of them. I have about 1,000 plus of them if I'm not wrong. So these models in particular are very special. They didn't come in any original casing or whatsoever because I found them in a hobby toy store in Brunei while I was doing business work.
What cousin fuck?
And I got the 5 of them at about $100 flat. I know that sounds ridiculously expensive, but by the title you could tell that these models are very expensive lah. The only reason why I got it at $100 is because my good friend Lavin, shout out to Lavin, he's very good at small talking people lah, so he helped me to reduce the price by quite a fair bit. As you can tell, most of these models range from $25 to $30, and it wasn't retail price or anything, it was just a price set by the seller in a sense. I hope these are real, I'm still not sure, but what I saw from the shop itself, it looked real. So this is the first model. As you can see, it's damn shiny. So this is a VW drag bus. I mean, the casting itself looks really original lah. If it's fake then I don't know, but
Look at this dude.
what I noticed is that all of these models, right, they have these real riders tires. But when I looked it up online, this casting itself, it's actually a real RLC exclusive casting. So for all the Hot Wheels experts out there, you can let me know in the comment section whether how do you tell if this is real or fake, and also how much did they cost in terms of the real RLC model. Because I bought mine at an average of $20 per piece, as I said. On first glance, you can't really tell it's fake, and I would prefer it with these real riders rims rather than the RLC retro rims. So when I was at the store, right, there are many variations of this drag bus, and I chose 5 of them. The seller actually had so many more in his storage. I think he said he bought it from China.
China.
I don't know, maybe it's fake, I don't know. But I tried to pick the best ones I could get. As you can tell, the rims on this one, a full gold chrome, it's really aesthetic. I don't think there's any real casting, it's probably a custom. But you can tell, right, this silver part of the rims, right, when I'm at the store, I saw that many of them had this missing. So this silver lining, if I touch it with my bare fingers, it might just fade away. Yeah, I saw that at the store, so I tried to pick out one that was completely untouched. But yeah, you can see the silver parts are coming out. But I'm just going to display them, I'm not going to touch them anymore. That's why I'm wearing gloves. But they're really looking fine right now. I'm not sure what you guys think about this. Is it a good buy or a bad buy for $20 per piece? Even if it's fake, I mean you can't really tell, right? It looks exactly like the real drag bus. For me, I think it's a bargain because in Brunei, everything's totally cheap. Okay, this is the chrome 2580. You guys yeet that shit off. Damn, son. I'm gonna buy some acrylic cases probably. Any Singaporean viewers out there, if you know where can comment below where can I find small acrylic cases just for Hot Wheels, these Hot Wheels models. Let me know. I usually use Carousel, so if you all know, can just comment below. Look at that chrome though. Shit. Yeah, this looks really good. If I'm not wrong, these are also RLC castings, right? Yeah, I searched it up online. I know the fire department is one of the castings, but damn! Does it really matter though if it's fake? I don't know, it looks really good. Okay, the last one. Look at that lime green though. Yeah, if you cannot tell by now, my favorite color is lime green. Just so you know, right, all these liveries, right, I think they're fake lah, because when I was there, Many of the models had faded liveries, you know, some were like scruffed up and all, so I had to, you know, try and argue a bit whether I could get new stock from the back. Yeah, I think overall it looks pretty good. Let's just take a slow look around each model now. This is the military police version. I will find a photo on Google and I'll show you what I mean by the RLC casting. Everything is shiny. Wow. Even the tail lights are painted. Really nice detail. Standard drag bus engine. Now let's go to the taxi one. All painted nicely. I mean, of course I chose the best one. Spectra Flame. Is that what they call it? Or the pros, Spectra Flame paint. Okay, now for the fire department one. See all this shit, right? So this is what makes me skeptical whether it's real or not. This literally looks like correction tape, but correction fluid, I mean. But I mean, ignorance is bliss, right? So for 20 bucks, even if it's a custom, I might pay 20 bucks again for such models. This is my favorite one, I think. This red is really, under sunlight, it's just damn. China. Right, so this is just pure chrome. It looks just so good, even though it's just pure chrome. Like just sit there like damn, you know. Lastly, we got the gold. The rims are really If anything wears off, I'll just buy some silver Sharpies and just draw them back on. For now it looks fine. But this gold though, it's like rose gold almost. But damn, it's a good display piece. Okay, so that was a very quick unboxing of these 5 Hot Wheels models. This is my first ever Hot Wheels video, and if you guys like this style of video, just let me know, because I do have a few real riders that I can unbox, but I'm trying to keep it in the packaging. And if you guys like these videos, just let me know, then I'll do more unboxings of it. Thank you guys for watching again, and have a nice day.